So in this video we're going to talk about bitwise operator in Python. So bitwise operators are used to perform bit level operations on integers. So the bitwise operators can manipulate individual bits of a number. Like in example, suppose we have one number 5. So the binary representation of this number is 0101. Now we can use the bitwise operator and we can manipulate the bits of this number 5. So first of all, let's talk about the bitwise AND operator. So the symbol is ampersand. So the AND operator perform bitwise AND operation of all these bits of a number. So let's just see the truth table of the bitwise AND operation. So here the AND operation will produce 1 when both of the bits are 1. Otherwise, in all the other cases, the result will be 0. And next we have the bitwise OR operation, and here we use the vertical bar for the bitwise OR operation. So the OR operator will perform bitwise OR operation between the bits of a number. So in case of the bitwise OR operation, so the result will be 0 when both of the bits are 0. In all other cases, the result will be 1. And next we have the bitwise NOT operator. So here we use the tilde sign for that. So the NOT operator will invert all the bits. So suppose we have 0, this will invert 0 to 1. If we have 1, the NOT operator will invert from 1 to 0. And next we have the bitwise XOR operator. So the truth table of the XOR operator is, so when both the bits are equal, in that case, so it will have the result as 0. Otherwise, the result will be 1. So the 0 0 will produce 0 and 1 1 will produce 0. In all other cases, this will have 1. And also we have the left shift operator, and we use double less than operator for that. So this operator will left shift the bits of a number. So suppose we wanted to left shift the bits of the number 5. So in that case, we can use the left shift operator and we can left shift by 1 position. That means the number 5 has the bit of 0101. So after left shifting by 1 position, so the bits will be shifted to the left. So the result will be 1010, which is equivalent to the number 10. And also we have the right shift operator. Here we use double greater than for the right shift operator. Now this operator will shift the bits of a number to the right side. So suppose we wanted to right shift the bits of the number 5 by 1 position. So in that case, so the number 5 has the bits 0101. So after right shifting by 1 position, this will have 0010. So this one will be discarded after the right shift. So the result will be the number 2. So let's now see how we can perform bitwise operation in Python. So suppose we have variable a with the value 1 and variable b with the value 2. Now we can perform the bitwise operation of those two numbers. So we can perform bitwise AND operation of a and b. We can perform bitwise OR operation. We can perform bitwise XOR operation. And also we can perform the bitwise NOT operation. So in that case we have to use the tilde sign. So this will result in the 2's complement of a. So the NOT operator will invert all of the bits of the number a, which is equivalent to the 2's complement of the value a. And also we can perform the left shift and right shift. So we can left shift the a by 1 position, and also we can right shift the a by 1 position. Now if we run this, so here you can see after performing all of these bitwise operation, here we have result of those operation. So this way we can use these multiple bitwise operator in Python and we can manipulate individual bits of a number. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.